Astro. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool, I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow rain was I'm pouring down. See that pain was all around, see my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge, I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it, everything that I do.
So it's currently raining in Jamia Millia Islamia. Wajid? No. No. So it's raining and it's most probably happening around 1 p.m. in the evening. So it's happening around 1:43 p.m. in the afternoon and it's raining in Jamia. So we are just going to have dinner now and it's currently happening around 8:37 p.m. in the evening and the whole Butler house is just in a muddy situation because it rains today too much, as you have seen. We were in Jamia. Now we're just going to have dinner. After having dinner we will come back, then we will see what to do. Huh? What do you want to say? My camera quality isn't that much good. No. So Glenn is asking, so the picture of moon. I said no, I can't because my camera quality isn't that much good. So let's go.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Just straight for a second, I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it, everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
So hello everyone, today is 3rd of September 2022 and it's Saturday today, so it's a holiday and I'm just going to have a juice, have a banana shake, good morning, and I'll get some other stuff to fill my belly, and that's all. And the weather is a little bit sunny today. I think it will be hot today. Yesterday it was raining, now today it is hot a little bit. So let's see what happens next. Just moving towards the juice corner. So I got a papaya and apple, and I'm having a banana shake, some food stuffs for me in the morning because I was lacking in. And another thing is that we are going to change our room soon because it was too messy. It is too messy. Yeah, so most probably we'll change it. So we are just going to grab our lunch of today, and most probably it is happening around, let me check the time, 1:43, and Saklan is in front. वो तो बोला तुम लोग चलो हम आ रहे हैं. Saklan and Wajid is just walking in front of me, and I think there is a little bit of traffic in front of us. The e-rickshaw is stopped. Not a e-rickshaw, it's a hand-pulled man rickshaw. Here how it is delivered, the Indian gas. Nahi. So just going through the street of Islam Masjid, you can see the Islam Masjid in front of us. The red and white colored and a little bit of grey also. There is a dog here, friend of Saklan. He is upset because Saklan doesn't say him hi. And man-pulled rickshaws are still in use in this modern era. It's amazing.
एक फोन आता है ना व्लॉग के लिए, कैमरा तुम शटर ये कर सकते हो.
So you can just see the vendors selling banana, pea,
Banana?
and pineapple, papaya. This is Islam Masjid gate.
Show the masjid.
And I will go to the HDFC bank. रुक जाओ अजित, पैसे निकाल लो.
ये देखिए सर क्या कर रहा है.
Perhaps the money will come now. How much is it?
अरे पैसा कहाँ है?
पैसा कहाँ है?
हाँ. अरे आ गया.
आज दोबारा डालो ना, फिर निकालना है.
जो 1500 ही निकल रहा है.
हाँ.
पीछे पीछे तो घूमो तो.
अरे रुक जा भाई. एक सेकंड.
Now here we go again.
अरे
क्या कर रही है?
और हम कर दे रहे
We are processing a transaction. Do not remove your card until it's promoted. Please wait, you are retrieving your account. withdraw 500 again.
9, 6.
Press button and enter your pin. Okay. Please wait for we are close.
Now again the money is coming.
Yeah.
And
It's time.
look, they are excited to get the money out. Actually, it is mine. So we are just here at Mohammed Nehari to have our lunch. Here is our brother Nasir Bhai and another one. I don't know his name. Let's have our lunch and enjoy it.